Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Unacademy. Crack JEE with us. Before moving on, just give me a second and let me just check my connections. Are they working properly or not? Are they working in a nicer manner? Yeah, I think the connections are working absolutely fine. My video as well as audio is audible. I'm audible and my video is visible. Okay, so moving on. Today will be our first lecture on circles. We will be doing all the basic things, the introduction part, and what a circle is, what are the basic formulas and basic things basically, like the understanding of the circles. We will be completing that for sure in the today's lecture. So before moving on, let me just introduce myself. My name is Aashima Jain and I have completed my post-graduation from IIT ISM Dhanbad. Good to see you here and I hope everyone is in good health. So if you want to join our channel, this is the link of our channel. You can definitely join it using this link. देन अनअकैडमी का सब्सक्रिप्शन अगर आपने ले लिया है तो देन इट्स वेल एंड गुड और अगर आपने नहीं लिया है तो आई विल जस्ट टेल यू द बेनिफिट्स कि आपको क्यों लेना चाहिए लाइक वहाँ पे वी हैव लाइव पोल्स एंड लेदर बोर्ड लाइव पोल्स एंड लेदर बोर्ड से क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट का जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो बूस्टअप होता है उसको कम टाइम में सॉल्व करने की आदत पड़ती है लाइक इन द लिमिटेड टाइम if you are at home and doing the question तो आप lenient हो जाते हो क्या you solve a question in 10 minutes or 20 minutes but using polls and leaderboard student को जो है कम टाइम में लिमिटेड टाइम में सॉल्व करने की आदत हो जाती है जो आई थिंक यूट्यूब पे पॉसिबल नहीं है देन देयर वी हैव लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग जो कि यहाँ पे भी है बट यहाँ पे वो सिर्फ वही हो पाता है जो मैं पढ़ाती हूँ इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट सो आई विल क्लियर आउट देन एंड देयर इटसेल्फ बट अगर आप कोई क्वेश्चन खुद से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं एंड यू वांट टू रीच आउट टू मी सो वेयर टू रीच आउट टू मी that is the platform only an academic platform you need to firstly get the subscription done and then only you can reach out to me then a live interaction with the educator like you can interact with me here also but in a better way definitely at the platform so I would recommend to just don't waste your time and get the subscription done soon then we have the performance analysis that is the most important part right now weekly test series tpps and quizzes and like as J is just in February, most probably. So we have started the regular test series as well. So if you wish to, you can join it. I will tell you how to join that. No problem. Then we have some live educators that are reaching heights. So if you want to reach out to them, then again you need the subscription done. But else you can reach out to them using YouTube. Some of their videos might be available there. Just check out. Then if you want to get the subscription then done, here are the few steps. First is the download the Unacademy Learning app and then install it. Then the third step is click on plus. Then the fourth step is click on IIT-JEE, that is our goal. And the final one, get subscription. Just click on this you will see the list of plans available on your screen like 1 month plan 3 month plan 6 month plan 12 months and 24 months so whichever plan suits you just take the subscription of that plan I would recommend to go for 24 months wala plan because its cost per month is very cheap comparatively to the other plan so it's like 2100 rupees only per month cost for 24 months plan so if you wish to, you can go for that. But if you are in class 12th, then why will you go for that? So just take 1 month, 3 month, 6 month plans. Okay. And then after this, you will see the step 7 that is to enter my code and whenever you enter if you want to take the subscription and you enter my code you will definitely see get 10% discount on any of the plan you wish to. The code I will tell you now only in the next slide. What is my code? Use that code and you will get 10% discount on any of the plan you wish to. Then we have is the Manzil batch that has been already started at 24th December, that has been started. So if you wish to, you can still join that batch, and you can see on the screen these are some top educators who will be taking your classes. So don't miss the chance and just enroll for this batch. Then again, the rank booster batch that has also been started at 24th. So if you wish to, you can just join that batch also. You're not late till now, but yes, you still have a chance to join that batch. Okay, then we have 28th December, two batches starting. That has already been started because I think yesterday was 28th. Yes, correct. So you could see the educators, the list of educators. Hi, good afternoon. List of educators on the screen who will be taking your classes. See that you just don't miss the chance to uh, enroll to this, and don't waste your time and start up right now. Then we have is the JEE test series coming up every Friday, every alternate Sunday, every Monday to Thursday. So I would recommend कि आप एक टेस्ट सीरीज तो जरूर ज्वाइन करें, बिकॉज टेस्ट से you will get to know और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी build up होगा. You will get to know that how much you know and how much is required, more required to study for this XYZ topic. So a test only will help you to cheer up and just increase your performance. So I would recommend कि if you don't want any plan, just take the test series. Yeah, good afternoon. So आज हम circles के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Very basic topic. आज का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट होगा बेसिकली. ठीक है, नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट वन, बट यस अगर ये नहीं आया समझ में तो आगे नहीं आएगा. सो इम्पोर्टेंट तो डेफिनेटली है, तो लिसन टू इट केयरफुली. So I told you what is an locus yesterday. So can anybody tell me what is the definition of a locus? Okay. Can anybody tell me what is a locus? I told you in the yesterday straight lines last lecture what is an locus. So we will be doing circle today. Introduction part. Anybody who can tell me what is an locus? So locus, I will tell you. Locus is a path traced by a moving point and under a given condition, and that condition will be given to you in the respective question or in the respective topic. Okay, like in this case, if I define what is an circle, it is the past traced by a. Okay, I will just write it first. A circle is defined as the locus of a moving point. A circle is defined as a locus of the moving point which moves. This is moving point satisfying a condition. Correct. A circle is defined as the locus of a moving point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point is constant, such that its distance from a fixed point in a plane is always constant. ठीक है, just remember the plane भी है, don't go in 3D, in a plane like x y y z, whichever plane the circle is. If I just draw a plane, suppose this is a plane, okay, and this is the point, suppose this is the C point and this is the point P, which moves in such a way such that its distance from point C is always constant. So P moves in such a way such that its distance from point C is always constant. I hope if you are in class 12th, so ma'am, my key for I alphabet is, yeah, no problem, no problem. Like if you are in class 11th or done with 11th, this is the practical that we do using a pen, using 2 points, one as a pen and another taking a thread and then drawing a circle using that. So basically, I think you would have understood what is in circle. Like P will move in such a way such that its distance from, like when here it will be P, so then again the distance will be R. If here is P, then again the distance is R. So the traced path traced by the moving point is circle. So I hope you got to know what is in circle. Fixed point is called center, that is denoted by C over here, just the notion, and the constant distance that is denoted as R over here is the radius of the circle. Okay, this is the center and this distance, this is the radius. See that everywhere the distance is same. Yes. Hi everyone. Okay, so just moving on to the, I hope the what is in circle is clear. Then equation of a circle. If you can just derive out yourself using the distance formula I have told you in the straight lines part. Equation of a circle. See how the chapters are related. In mathematics or in any subject, the chapters are related. Suppose this is a circle and this is the point C with center as suppose alpha comma beta, and this is the point P, suppose take it as x comma y, that is the locus of a moving point. So just find out the equation of a circle using the distance formula, and definitely the distance between C and P is the radius, that is R. So what is P? Let P x comma y. Yeah, circle start hua hai. Okay, you are telling that P x y is a moving point. I will be coming again at 4 to continue the topic. And C alpha comma beta is the fixed point. Okay, so alpha comma beta is the fixed point, that is the center, and R is radius. So using distance formula, the distance between P and C is R, that is under the root of x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to R. That is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to R square. Basically, this is the standard form of equation of a circle. Uh, yeah, correct. Yeah, correct, Nishant, you are correct. So this is the standard form of a circle. Okay? Circle. Okay? This is the standard form of a circle with alpha and beta as center and R as radius. Okay? I hope this is clear how we get it, and I think how we get it, if you got to know, it's okay, but just remember the equation of the circle at the last, which we got. Okay, now moving on to the question, just try to do very simple question based on the equation that we just derived. Find the, and giving you just less than 30 seconds to answer it. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius is 5. Everyone to solve it, and I'm giving you 30 seconds at most. And I want the answers in the comment section. Uh, just substitute the value of the coordinates of center and radius as 5 in the x minus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 3 whole square equals to 5 cos square. That is correct. Just expand this. So what was it? The equation was x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. And alpha comma beta was the coordinates of center and r was radius. Just substituting the values, what we will get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3, that is plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 5 square. And what is the answer? X square minus 2 4x plus 6y plus y square equals to 12. So I hope everyone got this answer. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus y square equals to 25. Correct? Equals to 12, sorry. Okay, so whichever answer someone told, just reduce into the simplified form. Yeah, yes, this is high in means, and this chapter is, I mean, quite lengthy also. Many topics are there. And general equation of the circle. Now, previously I told the standard equation of a circle. Now we move on to the general equation of the circle. Everyone pay attention on the screen. Expand the standard form, that is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. Expand it, x square plus uh, y square plus alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 beta y equals to r square. So this is basically the alpha x minus 2 beta y plus alpha square plus beta square minus r square equals to 0. What are you asking? You can ask me, Nishant. So now take minus alpha as G and minus beta as F, and alpha square plus beta square minus R square equals to C. Okay, if I take this as 1, so uh, equation 1 reduces to, what will be the equation 1 now? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the general equation of circle. Like from this equation only you get to do the questions most probably, and the previous one is the easier one. So mostly this way only we get the question. Okay, everyone pay attention here. From this only circle is started. Okay, so now we will find the center and radius from general equation. Find radius, and I want each and every one of you to find out yourself so that the formula just sticks automatically in your mind from general equation. Okay, so from 2 or like x square plus y square, that is a general equation of a circle. If I say this as 2, if I say this as 2, then from 2 what will we get? Can you tell me what is the value of G G is equals to coefficient of x upon 2 and F is equals to coefficient of y upon 2, and the center is alpha comma beta, that is equals to minus g comma minus f. So if you are given with this general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, directly from there using minus g comma minus f you can find out the center. Okay, so what is the center? Minus coefficient of, just replacing it, the g over here, upon 2 comma minus coefficient of y upon 2. Okay, this we have got the center. Now for radius, each and every one of you do it yourself. How will you get the radius? Alpha square plus beta square, from 2 only I am deriving. This we took it as c. Alpha square plus beta square minus r square equals to c, that is g square. Alpha equals to minus g tha, so just substituting, minus g ka whole square is g square plus f square minus r square equals to c. So what is the value of r? R is under the root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, this we got as r. So directly, if you are given with general equation of a circle, you can find out the center and the radius from that equation directly, just to save your time. Then r is, I just say, yes, correct. Every one of you pay attention over here only. Coefficient of x upon 2 whole square plus coefficient of y upon 2 whole square minus constant term. Okay, so keep these formulas in your mind to avoid any mistake in future. Like, these are the most basic things we are doing. Now we will be doing the working rule, basically how to find out. First, to find the center and the radius, follow these steps. Is anybody commenting? To find the center and radius, I hope straight lines is clear to each and every one of you. Almost all topics are covered over there when general equation is given. Okay, so we are provided with general equation, then how to, yes, do more and more questions and practice, and then only you will get to know. That will increase your speed as well. Make the coefficient of x square and y square equals to 1 and take all terms to LHS, that is to the left hand side. Okay, make the coefficient of x square and y square as 1 and take all the terms to the left hand side. Then this is the working rule. If you are given with general equation of a circle, then the coordinates of center will be alpha comma beta, where alpha is equals to minus 1 upon 2 coefficient of x, comma beta is equals to minus 1 upon 2 coefficient of y. Okay, and the third is radius is under the root of alpha square plus beta square. This you will get to know how to solve it. Just now note down the formulas only. We will do the questions technically and you will get to know how we are proceeding with the stuff. Okay, I hope the working rule was very simple and it's clear, not a difficult one. Now we are moving on to the next topic, and then we will be doing 3 more questions. Then you will be clear with the stuff. Okay. Yes. Nature of circle. Firstly, radius of circle x square, journal equation, writing that only x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 is, what is the radius? G square plus, like the nature of the circle definitely depend upon radius, that's why I'm writing here again. Okay, so this is under the root of g square plus f square minus c. Now, what is the possibilities we can get if g square plus f square minus c greater than 0? Like if this is greater than 0, then अंडर रूट के अंदर क्या आएगा, पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी आएगी, then radius of circle will be real, and hence for this case real circle is possible. Okay, if the radius is positive, how to get that? Just substitute the values. Okay, now if g square plus f square minus c equals to 0, like if the radius of the circle is 0, then what is represent? This represent a point circle. Such a circle is called point circle. Such a circle is point circle. If the radius of the circle is 0, then such a circle is point circle. It represents a point in xy plane, which is the center. Okay, the point is the center only. Center of circle, definitely, not to get confused. And the last possibility is if the radius is less than 0, if g square plus f square minus c g square, I've written two times, square plus f square minus c less than 0, then radius of circle will be imaginary. This will be less than 0, so अंडर रूट के अंदर क्या है, नेगेटिव क्वांटिटी आएगी, कॉम्प्लेक्स बन जाएगा, तो इमेजिनरी आ गया, will be imaginary number. तो जो रेडियस हो जाएगा that will be imaginary number, hence no real circle for this case, hence no real circle is possible. What we can say is the circle is imaginary, so no real circle is possible. Okay, correct. So this was the basic things that is required in a circle. We will proceed with the more things afterwards. Before that, just do the questions. Find, every one of you do it yourself and then I will do it. Find radius and center of circle. The first is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 10 equals to 0. Giving you 30 seconds, solve it using the formulas that I gave you and let me know in the comment section what is the answer. Find the radius and center and radius of the following circles. See, it's very simple. Directly putting into the formulas, doing nothing. 3 comma minus 4. Correct. And what is the radius? Minus 3. And root 15. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so center is, what is the center? Center is minus g, comma, anybody? 3, comma 4. No, no, no. There is a problem. Recheck your calculation. Center is minus g, comma minus f. That is minus coefficient of x upon 2. Just using the formulas only, nothing else. Minus coefficient of y upon 2. That is minus of, what is the coefficient of x? That is minus 6 upon 2, comma, what is the coefficient of y? That is 8 upon 2. What is it? This is 3 comma minus 4. That only I think people got it. So somebody got 3 comma 4. So it's 3 comma minus 4. And what will be the g and f value? That is minus g is equals to 3. That implies g equals to minus 3 and minus f equals to minus 4. That implies f equals to 4. So what is the radius? Radius is under the root of g square plus f square minus c. That is minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square minus 10. Correct? And what is it? It's root 15. I hope everyone got the result. The radius as root 15. Anybody having any doubts regarding this? These are the direct formulas I am using. So if you are not having any doubts, just one more similar question for practice. Find the radius and center. And the equation is 4x square plus 4y square plus 12ax minus 6ay minus a square equals to 0. Just see that using the working rule that I told you, you find out this. मेंस के क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली मैंने मेंस का टॉपिक ही नहीं करवाया अभी, तो क्वेश्चन कैसे करवा दूँ? दीज आर द सिंपल इंट्रोडक्शन था बेसिकली आज, तो डेफिनेटली इजी टॉपिक से रहेंगे. मेंस का तो कोई टॉपिक हुआ ही नहीं अभी फिलहाल. दीज आर द सिंपल लाइक आई विल सी इसके बाद एक और क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Just do this and clear out your basics. पहले basics clear out कर लो. Basics नहीं होंगे तो mains क्या, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है? See that the basics are clear. Basic formulas are clear. Minus 6a 3a. Minus 6a 3a. Is it correct? No, I think not correct. Minus 6a 3a is not correct. Everyone please solve it yourself and then only I will do. Just firstly divide the whole equation by 4. So to make the coefficients of x square and y square, minus 3 by 2a, 3a by 2 and plus 3a by 2. A will be in the numerator, okay? Rest is fine. So divide this x square divide by 4, nothing else. I'm following the working rule. Divide by 4, that is x square plus y square plus 3ax minus 3 by 2 ay minus a square by 4 equals to 0. Okay, so now just compare it with the formulas. Now center is minus g comma minus f, that is minus coefficient of x upon 2 comma minus coefficient of y upon 2. What is the coefficient of x? That is 3a. And what is the coefficient of y? That is minus 3a by 2. Okay, that is minus 3a by 2 comma minus of 3 by 2 into minus, that is plus 3a by 2 into 2, that is 3a by 4. So you got the center. Now g is minus 3a by 2 and minus f is 3a by 4. So g is 3a by 2 and f is minus 3a by 4. Correct? What is the radius? Radius is g square plus f square minus c. That is under the root of 9a square by 4 root of 45a square plus a square by 16. Yeah, okay, fine. You took the LCM. 9a square plus 16 minus c. What is the c? C is minus of a square upon 4. C is this value. So just minus of minus, that will be plus a square upon 4. See that after this you will get this 7a by 4 as the final answer. Taking out the root, uh, just see that the calculations are correct. Think nobody got this. No problem, no problem. Okay, now we move on to the next topic. Sorry, next question first. And see that every one of you do this. Find the equation of, this time we need to find the equation of circle whose center is the point of intersection of g is equals to minus 3 upon 2a. G is not minus, no, g is 3a by 2. Minus g is equals to minus 3a by 2, so g will be 3a by 2. Find the equation of a circle whose center is point of intersection of lines. I will give you 3 minutes to solve this. Intersection of the lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0, and every one of you please solve this and then just look it into the comments and pass it through origin. What we are given, equation of circle whose center is the point of intersection of the line and passes through origin. Okay, I will just write the options. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 44y equals to 0. Then the second is 17x square plus 17y square plus 2x. Every one of you please solve it. Minus 44y equals to 0. Then the third is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 44y equals to 0. And the fourth is uh, IIT Dhanbad. I was from. Done with that. 17x square plus 17y square plus 44y equals to 0. Everyone of you please solve it. The one who is asking my college also should solve. Pay, pay attention to the question, please. What is the question asking? The point of intersection of the lines is the the center of the circle, and we are also provided with other condition that the circle passes through origin. Okay, see that you just follow the instructions given in the questions and proceed. Can anybody of you tell me the answer? The point of intersection of the lines is the center of the circle, and we are also given with the condition that the circle passes through origin. Okay, take the help of general equation of line circle, sorry, जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल जो मैंने लिखवाई थी उसको यूज करके पहले तो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट निकालो and then follow it. Anybody who got the answer? Okay, I think enough time has been given now. I should solve it. Okay, so what we are given is that the center is intersection of lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So solve these two equations. So D option, no, D option is not correct. Center is intersection of these two lines. So solve 1 and 2 using elimination, cross multiplication or substitution, whichever you like. What will you get the center as? Minus 1 by 17, comma 22 by 17 only. Okay, then we are also provided with that the circle passes through origin. When the circle passes through origin, then what will be the value of C? Yes, correct. B option is correct. When circle passes through origin, then C will be 0. How you can get that? Just writing as I told you, the general equation of a circle. Where is that? Yes. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Just substitute x comma x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 because origin passes through this circle only, then it will satisfy the circle. So you will get c equals to 0 as this term x, y, x replace x with 0, y with 0 and these two terms also 0. So what will you get the value of c? From there only I just got the value of C as 0. Okay. Now what is the value of C? Circle lies on, origin lies on circle. Origin lies on circle. Okay, fine. Then you got the center and the C as 0. Then just replace X and F. You will get the answer x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to 0. Just replace x square plus y square plus 2 by 17 into x minus 44 by 17 into y. C is already 0. That's why I didn't take the term c over here. And after solving it, what you will get 17x square plus y square plus 2x minus 44y equals to 0. So I hope everyone has solved this question. So yes, no problem. Just check that your calculations are not wrong and you do the things properly. Okay. So the next topic is quite long. It will take an hour approximately to complete. So we will be doing the next topic of the circle in the next class, that is at 4 p.m. So we will meet up at 4 p.m. I hope this is understood by each and every one of you, and B is the correct option. So nothing difficult was there in this lecture. I hope this is clear, and we will meet up at 4 p.m. to continue with this, and from there only the things will start. And then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And I am again and again telling you to give out the test so that you get to know what all things are required for your study, what all how much preparation more is required for this XYZ topic. That will be जो आप वो calculation आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेस्ट से ही कर पाओगे and start solving more and more questions from your side. जितने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे उतनी स्पीड बढ़ेगी and you will get to solve in JEE means आप प्रेशर अंडर प्रेशर में भी सॉल्व कर पाओगे. So test is the most important part. So if you use my referral code AJANYT, you will get 10% off in any of the plan जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया. और प्लान नहीं लेना तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि टेस्ट सीरीज तो जरूर जो है बाय टेस्ट सीरीज जो है जरूर उसको जो है फॉलो करो. अगर प्लान लेते हो तो टेस्ट सीरीज जो है उसी के साथ मिलती है. स्टिल इफ यू डोंट वांट टू एनरोल फॉर द प्लान, see that you enroll for the test series, and I will meet up again at 4 p.m. to continue with circles. Basic things हमने आज पढ़ ली. इसके आगे का टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं and we meet up at 4 p.m. Okay, then take care of your health. Bye.